So, people, think of it. When there is a still lake or a body of water, and then we drop a stone in it, what happens to it? There's a lot of waves that forms, yeah, waves that form, and then the wave just travels outward. So, how to calculate the velocity with which the waves travel? Yeah, that is what we are going to be looking at. And well, we already know that the velocity of these waves c, yeah, it depends on several variables. So otherwise we can write c as a function of c is the velocity as a function of the density of the liquid, the wavelength lambda of the wave, the height of the wave, and also the sigma, the surface tension. So these are the factors that the velocity will depend on. So I can write it as c equals, yeah, constant of rho, lambda, h, and sigma. I can even um, so how many variables are there totally? So the number of variables n equals, number of variables are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. K is just a constant, so the number of variables are 5. So let us write the dimensions for these variables, shall we? Yeah. Rho, what is the dimension for rho? The dimension for rho is m by L cube, otherwise m L minus 3, yeah, minus 3, wait, minus 3, yeah. Lambda is nothing but wavelength is L, height h is L, and similarly surface tension sigma is nothing but m t power minus 2, yeah. So now think of it, how many fundamental variables do we have? M, L, and t. So these are the only things. So the number of fundamental variables m equals 3. So the total number of pi terms, yeah, number of pi terms equals 5 minus 3 equals 2. So we are going to have two pi terms, yeah, two dimensionless pi terms. So two pi groups or pi terms, yeah. Now we, out of these five variables, yeah, we have to select our repeating variable and non-repeating variable, yeah. We cannot select c as a repeating variable. The reason is, this is our dependent variable, this is what we are interested in, yeah. And so what can we choose? Well, I can choose h, height. So if I'm choosing height, I cannot choose lambda, yeah. Why can I not choose lambda? Because lambda and h are the same dimension, L. Yeah. Let us choose non-repeating variable. Our non-repeating variable would be, let us see what it is. It is going to be lambda and c, because c is our dependent variable. That is what we want to find out about. And if I choose lambda, yeah, we cannot choose h, and since we are only looking for two pi terms, we are happy with lambda and c. So now I can write pi 1, yeah, is nothing but c, and then all the repeating variable. If these two are the non-repeating variable, then the repeating variables would be rho, h, and sigma. Yeah, so c, rho, h, and sigma. Yeah, so now, and then what is pi 2? Pi 2 would be lambda comma rho h sigma. Yeah, so now let us take the pi 1 term. Pi 1 term, what do we have in the pi 1 term? So let us write all the dimensions, yeah, of pi 1 term. So pi 1 is m power 0, l power 0, t power 0. This is pi 1 equals, yeah, it is a function of what is c. C is nothing but, I forgot to write the dimension. C equals l t power minus 1. Yeah, so l t power minus 1 power a times rho is ml minus 3 power b times h is l power c times, yeah, c as it is. Yeah, this is a, b, and this one would be m t power minus 2 power c. So now let us just write this m0 l0 t0 equals l t power minus 1 as it is, m power a, l power minus 3a, l power b, m power c, t power minus 2c. This is what I get. So let us just look at the m terms here. Yeah, what are the m terms all about? 0 equals just the power. I'm just equating the powers, yeah, of the m term. M power is 0 here, equals, over here the power is a and c, a plus c. This is what I'm getting. Let us look at t term. Yeah, in t if we equate the powers of t, we get 0 equals -1 minus 2c, yeah, which means that if we rearrange the equation, we will get c equals -1 by 2, yeah. If we substitute this in here, we should get a equals 1 by 2, yeah. Let us look at L. In L, we are going to have 0 equals L is power 1, 1 minus 3a plus b, yeah, which means we already know what is a. So b equals 1 by 2, yeah. So I can write this as pi 1 equals c times rho power 1 by 2 times L power 1 by 2 times sigma power minus 1 by 2, yeah. So pi 1 equals c times power 1 by 2 is nothing but the square root, yeah, and h, this one is h, sorry, yeah, h. So these two are square root of rho h, and this is negative, so it would be sigma, yeah. This is the pi 1 term. Now let us look at pi 2 term. Pi 2 term, we have lambda, rho, h and sigma, yeah. So I can write pi 2 equals, yeah, pi 2 equals the lambda times rho power a, h power b and sigma power c. So m 0 l 0 t 0 equals lambda, the lambda is l, so as it is, times density rho is ml power minus 3a, h is l power b times sigma is ml mt power minus 2, mt power minus 2 power c, yeah. So if I write this m0 l0 t0 equals l power 1 times m power a times l power minus 3a times l power b times m power c times t power minus 2c, yeah. So let us equate, let us see which one is easier for us to equate, okay. T, there is only one t here, so I am going to write for t, yeah, 0, I'm just equating the powers, so 0 equals minus 2c, yeah. So c equals, what do you think, my dear people? If minus 2c equals 0, what happens to c? C becomes 0. Yeah. Let us look at what happens to L. Okay. In L, the power is 0 equals the power I'm just equating 1 minus 3a plus b. Yeah. So what can I say? B should equal to, this is minus 3 times. I'm going to do it for m. Yeah. So m, what do we have? 0 equals a plus c. So a equals 0. Yeah. So let us do for L. L 0 equals, yeah, 1 plus b minus 3a. 1 minus 3a plus b. Yeah. A is 0. Yes, we already know. So b should equal to minus 1. Yeah. So let me substitute all these values 1, 2, 3 in our pi 2 equation here. So if I do that, I get pi 2 equals lambda times rho power 0 times h power minus 1 times sigma times 0. So pi 2 is nothing but 1 by h. Lambda divided by h. And now what we can say is, yeah, pi 1 and pi 2 are a function with each other. So lambda by h equals to any function. We do not know what function that is. Yeah, is a function of c square root of hp by sigma. Yeah, c is what we require, is it not? Yeah. So I can write c square root of hb h rho divided by square root of sigma equals a function of lambda by h. So c equals a function of lambda by h as it is times sigma divided by square root of hp. Yeah, we do not know what that function is, and in order to know what that function is, we have to do experiments. Hey, don't worry, you carry on.